Welcome to the Tags, Labels, and Legal Holds tutorial for the Intradyn AOS 7 archiving platform. To fully understand these features, we must understand the differences between them. Tagging is a feature that allows administrators to define custom categories which can be used to group messages. Legal holds are a more specific type of tag that force messages under the tag to be retained on the system forever, until the legal hold is deleted. Labels are a feature that allows users to define custom categories which can be used to group messages. A label belongs to the user that created it, and it cannot be seen by any other user. These features can be found by clicking the top Search tab, then navigating the left tab to My Labels, All Tags, or Legal Holds. Let's begin with labels. On the My Labels page, enter a name for your label and click the blue Add Label button. You will see this label appear in the page list. Labels can be applied anywhere emails are viewable, such as the All Messages, Search, or My Mailbox page. By checking the boxes next to individual emails, you can apply labels to one or more messages. Click the ellipses for a drop-down menu. Here you will see the option to apply a label. Select the label of your choice, then click the blue OK button to submit. Now to explore tags and legal holds. Creating a tag is similar to creating a label. Entering a tag name on the All Tags page will advance you to a creation wizard. Here you can enter a brief description and choose whether or not this tag is a legal hold. Once everything is complete, click the blue Create Tag button to proceed. You will see this new tag under the tags list. You may also view and create legal hold tags on the Legal Holds tab. The process for creation is the same as a regular tab. As you advance to the wizard, you will see the checkbox for legal holds already selected. Enter your information but ensure this box remains checked. Click the blue Create Legal Hold button to complete the process. You can view legal holds on this page, or both regular and legal hold tags on the All Tags page. Apply tags to emails in the same way you would apply a label. This concludes the Tags, Labels, and Legal Holds tutorial for the Intradyn AOS 7 archiving platform. For more tutorials visit support.intradyn.com. Thank you.